Ureje etongozi w'abembezi b'iceketi bakwatanise n'ebitongore bitari bya gavumenti hamwe n'abaturage n'icendera cyo kurebeka ngo ubwabe bw'umwana babasa kurindwa. Urugira muhezi wa RDC wa district age nagira ngo kurinda ubwabe bw'umwana n'umurimo w'urwetengo kwatanisa.
The culprits must be punished for their crime, and we cannot do that unless we have the cooperation of the parents. It is at this minute now I call upon you parents. You must be near to your children and very close to them so that they can give you all the information. Wazaroka kumanoza kuronda sente kuonka otuyonza kushashura fizi omwana wa bakamukora kubota kukimanya nituza kuba tukora rose.
Kurabira umureje muhezi wa RDC nahiga abebembezi uteriho n'abaturage nangwana n'abana ukwatanisa hamwe umuze gukubatira ubwabe bw'umwana kwabasa kurwaniswa.
If we don't protect these children are really protected without us. They are innocent, they are angels. Especially these ones who are still in primary. They are very young and they cannot make their own decisions. So parents, my dear parents, let's do our responsibilities.
Kuretereza abana batweka bakiri abana bato umurubundu bujo aha abazire babundu bujo twine ngo kutunagirize obujunanizi bwa bwitu.
Arigambaho na tayari West TV Charles Charity Joiners hamwe na Tsime Hildan bashobora bagira ngo umuzigo kutoroboza abana hamwe no kubatuma mbuga za sitani mu ceketi rweyongera bwashesha bwira kandi nashobora nagira ngo kirukirayo kucereta no kugira ngo abazeyire nababiyetasiya mu babura kubitwara umbe by'ubushoborozi.
Ijiro mu rubundu bujo konka abantu abakugireta mushana kugigambera abantu kugigambera authority kugigambera police nibache munonga abo kuba no shango bundi okushobya kubashobiza abana shirugiro mu family omwe honyene oshanga uncle oshanga baba arwakozere kintu nkecho aturugunyizo omwana oshanga nka uncle ahambera omwana so nibatina kukigamba basharamba bitao komo makagabo bachurera.
The children, sometimes these kids or the children who are violated fear to report to the concerned people because they continuously stay with the people who cause the violence.
Mwezi wa RDC atiyo nkuko yanangiriza abazeyire ukufayo munonga ugumana bahaba bimshango ijumbe by'ubushoborozi gurebeka ngo muzogu gwabasa kuri bato hamtwe
emishango kashanga etagumiza mu kugira ngo ehweyo eze mu eka police abazire bitu bakine mekizibu cyo kuburema kubako kukwatanisa n'abamateka na police mwako muzire mwe kakuja ya reportinga ninga shinka master ya reportinga oshanga nikigumiro muzire kugira ngo ajaza kwereza ki obujurizi.
Ihureji ejendereire ukurwanisa kurubatira ubwabe bw'abana okucira munonga ukubata umbikorwa by'umbonano ejeri kuretera benji baguma mu byaro batayine cywera nangwa na bamwe ukuferwa nyentsya yabo.